Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. My channel is a frugality channel where I show the food I buy, hopefully reduced or discounted, the things I buy from charity shops when I like to go thrifting. I do DIY to save money because I'm currently renovating and decorating the house at the moment because I want to get it up for sale, hopefully before Christmas. As I'm hoping to downsize, and I do cheapy crafting as well. So if that's something you might be interested in, please check me out. Today I'm showing what I'm cooking in the oven all at once to save some money. I bought these pork chipolata sausages. They were reduced to £1.38. It's a pack of 12, so I'm going to cook 4 just as they are. This is an old cheesecake tin, an aluminium one, so it's handy so when you're putting loads of stuff in the oven you can squash it in. So I've got 4 there. I've chopped up the other 8 and a courgette and about 3/4 of a leek, and in this dish here I've got a packet of diced carrot and swede that was reduced to 36p. I picked that up yesterday because I'm going to make a sausage hot pot. So in here I've just sprinkled some dried garlic granules over it and some salt and pepper, and now I'm going to use some gravy granules because I'm making a lovely sausage hot pot. So I've just boiled the kettle and pour this over. And then I'm going to mix in this veg. So just go and get a spoon. Okay, everything's a bit disarray at the moment because I'm fixing the bathroom door. Yeah, never ended. I replaced the doors a few years ago because we had those cheapy plasticky doors. And I bought some nice pine ones, as you can see. My house is Edwardian. It was built in 1908, so the house is over 100 years old. So when I couldn't find any reclaimed doors to fit, I bought new ones, but the door frame is all rotted. I'll show you, because they built this extension on with a wet room, and I put the shower screen in because water was going everywhere, but obviously for a few years it was getting all damp here and it's all just mushed. So I've got to replace the frame here. So yeah, bits of wood everywhere. So yeah, it's like, oh, there's always something to do. But anyway, I'll do that myself because I don't like workmen being in the house. I've had being ripped off by them. I've had things stolen by them, including money. And they just, because I'm a woman, they tend to talk a lot of rubbish at you because they think you're stupid. So yeah, I've got to get plumbers in this week to do the bath and that, so I'm hoping my son will be in because I just don't like being on my own in the house with workmen. Do you feel the same, whether you're a man or a woman, that workmen tend to lie? You've got to watch them, and yeah, it's just like it's like a game to them to rip it off, I think. Okay, so let's get back to the sausage hot pot. So usually I would put carrot in myself, but because I had that reduced bag from yesterday, I thought, right, throw that in. So it's all good to go. So what am I going to do now? What I've done is I've sliced up, all the little teeny tiny potatoes that you got that you can't be bothered peeling, and I've left them to soak in some cold water to rinse the starch off, and I've sieved them, and I'm going to put them on top. Do you know what? I might put a little bit of extra garlic in because, nothing wrong with a bit of extra garlic. I'm a garlic fiend. Anyone watches my channel will tell you I throw garlic on most things because I just think it enhances the flavour of everything, doesn't it? Let's get these potatoes on top. I'm just going to throw them on any old way because I'm not a chef, I'm just a mum cooking. go. People do pretty arrangements. I just throw it on top and get on with it. Oh, drop one. I'll pick that up later. Okay, and I've got some knobs of butter. Things are always nice with knobs of butter on top of potatoes. Make them all nice and crispy. And I think this can be served on its own because you've already got the potatoes, you've already got the veg, you've already got the meat. So it's a complete meal in itself, I think. So I'm going to put that in the oven now. Oh, hot and steamy. Oh. Oh, spilt a bit of gravy. So I'm going to put the sausages at the bottom. I've got some spicy beef burgers for my son. I've got a couple of baked potatoes to go with this fish. This is salmon. I got these the other week. I don't usually buy salmon because it's too expensive these days, but it was reduced to $1.51. So I just thought, yeah, well, I can afford it now. So I'm going to cook that and we'll have that with baked potatoes. And when it's all nearly done, I'll put this garlic baguette in as well, so it can go with either the salmon or the sausage hot pot. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you cook loads of stuff at once to save money? I do it once or twice a week because I'm fed up putting multiple batches in the air fryer. It just seems to take just as long. So yeah, so bye for now, and if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe.